All right. Well, hello there. I just woke up. Well, I woke up like an hour and a half ago. And we're starting on the new comic. So let us begin. I've done a little bit more work. I kind of started on the inking there with an inset panel, which I hadn't planned on, but I thought it'd be a good idea to kick it off with kind of a establishing shot of where the action's taking place. And kind of a cool trick that you can do when you have an establishing shot like this is you can actually, whoops, let's see if I'll do it. You can have a speech bubble coming out of the location, signifying that the people are there already having the conversation. So you'll have, you might have some dialogue going on inside that starts to set up the conversation. I also did a little bit of kind of cutting in with some details of the inside of the room. I'm a little bit annoyed because the inset panel that I chose means that this is about as tall as the character could be. Ideally we would make one of the characters bigger or something like that, but I'm already using a big perspective shot in the second panel. And maybe we could make this character on the right side larger, but that would make this character look really small. So there's various trade-offs.